Maraming nagtatanong kung paano mag-make ng pera sa stock market. Well, in this video guys, I'm gonna show you guys the basic things that you need to know before you get started.
Yeah. Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime.
First thing first guys, pupunta ko muna sa TradingView. Doon nyo makikita itong website. It's a free platform na pwede mong gamitin. At gagawin mo muna, magsasign up po muna sa kanila. So punta ka dito sa Get Started. Tapos yun, meron ka makikita na kung gusto nyong mag-subscribe for the chart. Because they give you a lot of things that you're probably gonna need. Tulad ng 2 chart, 5 indicators per chart and all that stuff. Pero ang gagawin lang natin, magsa-sign up lang tayo ng libre. Kasi hindi natin kailangan mag-invest ng pera muna eh. Ang kailangan lang natin muna gawin ay just sign up, get the feel of the market and kung paano mag-trade. So yung gagawin natin, so sign up muna tayo. You can sign up anything you want. Pwede mong gamitin Google, Facebook, all that stuff. But let's go sign up already. So pagkatapos nyo mag-sign up guys, ang kailangan nyo lang gawin, punta kayo dito sa TradingView. At makikita nyo yung watch list dito, kung ano yung gusto nyo i-trade, mga iba't market. Katulad ng Bitcoin, XRP, mga crypto trader kayo or futures trader. Pagkatapos nyon guys, punta kayo dito sa super chart. Sa product, diba? Punta kayo dito sa product. Makikita nyo yung super chart. And here it is guys. Ito yung makikita ninyo na once you guys already sign up with TradingView. At ano yung nakikita nyo, ito yung basically ang nangyayari sa market. Right? So, ito yung Bitcoin. Nakikita nyo dito sa symbol search. Ito. Dito nyo makikita kung gusto nyo mag-trade ng Apple, funds, futures, Forex, crypto, and indices, and bonds. Mga iba't na gusto nyo ma-trade. But first thing first, papakita ko sa inyo muna kung paano mag-paper trade. Alright? So, since nandito na tayo sa gusto natin makita, which is BTC, USD, gusto natin mag-execute ng trade, diba? So, yung gagawin nyo muna, tayo sa paper trading, at doon magpa-pop up yung gusto nyo, pwede kayo mag-create ng account kung magkano yung gusto nyo. Like, gusto nyo mag-create ng 1 million, kung magkano yung starting budget nyo, pwede nyo i-set up yung commission kung ano yung commission rate ng mga iba't broker. Once you finish with that, makita nyo, I'm starting with 100,000. Right? So, once we get to there, ang kailangan natin matutunan, ano ba ito yung makikita natin dito ngayon? Right? Kung yung nakikita nyo ngayon dito, this is what you call candlestick pattern. Right? Itong candlestick pattern, ito yung nakikita mo na price action na nangyayari. Every transaction, nag-create ng candlestick. Pwede nyong ibahin yung, yung chart. Right? Pwede nyong gawin na bars, hollow, line, kung anong komportable kang, kung ano yung strategy mo na nababasa sa iba't Pero ang ginagamit ko is candle. I like candle kasi it tells me like the story of the market. Ano yung narrative ng market? Ano ba yung bias? Are we trending up? Are we trending down? So pagkatapos yung guys, dito nyo makikita na isang bagay na okay, so the market is trending up, right? At gusto natin bumili. Gagawin lang natin, pupunta tayo dito sa buy the market. Babay tayo. Order sent, right? Tapos yun, makikita natin, pwede tayong iset yung stop loss natin. Let's say, I want to lose this much. Right? And then, I'm targeting this top right here. And then, as you can see, market na siya. Diba? Ganyan lang. It's pretty simple. Yun yung take profit natin. And then, kung gusto nyo ibahin yung time frame, dito lang kayo punta kayo dito sa 3 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, ano yung nangyari sa day. Tsaka guys, ito right here, you can adjust yung position ng ng candlestick para makita nyo yung Ayun guys, nag-fill na yung order ko. Dali lang, pag gusto nyo mag-sell, sell lang kayo kasi bumabagsak, di ba? And then, in here guys, meron kayong indicator. Itong indicator, kung ano yung strategy ninyo, katulad ng kung nag-ano kayo ng MACD, parabolic, SAR, lahat na yun. Pero as you can see, wala kasi ako ng hindi ako nag-upgrade eh. So that's why I'm limited to a certain amount of indicators. So as you can see, this is like the things that you're gonna need pretty much. So yeah guys, if you find this video helpful, leave a comment down below and let me know if what you guys need as information and why I do this. I always just heads up, I do live stream every morning so that you guys can see how I trade and stuff. Pero yeah guys, it's really simple and easy to navigate. You can actually do trend line, you know, lahat nandito na. You can do drawings, horizontal, lahat na yan nandito na lahat. It's free. Take advantage of it, you know, learn muna kung paano gamitin yung market, like fib, kung nagbabasa kayo ng fib, trend line, lahat na yan nandito na lahat. It's all free for you to use and I recommend you guys take advantage of it. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.